I said initially that there are three possibilities when somebody takes a guess. One is that they won because they guessed the correct number. Another is that they guessed too low. And then we have this else in here because we figured, oh, there's no other possibility. If they either won, they're too low, otherwise they're too high. And I mentioned, well, what happens if they don't enter anything? They just hit return or the enter key and they haven't typed anything. Well, that's actually an empty string that it returns. And so we check for that. And we say, hey, take a guess already if they don't enter anything. And there's actually a fifth possibility too. The fifth possibility is that they hit cancel. And watch what happens when we hit cancel. So I'm going to take a guess. Shh, the number's 24. And I'm going to hit cancel here instead of taking a guess. Your guess was too low. Oh, that doesn't make sense. It canceled the guess. The reason why it said the guess is too low is when you hit cancel, the prompt function returns a special value called null, N-U-L-L. And null means the absolutely, positively nothing value. So it doesn't mean zero, it doesn't mean empty string, it's just nothing. And so we're going to have to check for null if we want some accurate or informative alert dialogues. So we can do that right after checking for empty string, because obviously null is not the empty string. However, it does seem that when you compare null against a number, it gets converted to 0, just like the empty string was. So we do need to check for that before we start comparing the guessed number with the number. So let's do it right after here. So we're going to say now, else if guessed number is equal to null, which is a special value in JavaScript and in most programming languages. Then we're going to do the following. We're going to make another alert dialog. Don't worry, we're going to get rid of some of these alert dialogues, so there's even fewer. Hey, don't hit cancel. Do not hit cancel. We're going to end it with a semicolon. And let's try this. Take a guess. Shh, number's 32. I'm going to hit cancel now. Hey, do not hit cancel. And it works. Just to be sure, you always want to check the good cases too. Let's make sure if we enter a number, it makes sense. 24. Your guess was too low. That's correct. Excellent.